A day in a life as a public art student here at Camarines Norte State College.
Allow us to guide and educate you about the important location inside the main campus. The building in front when you enter the campus is divided into different offices.
The first floor on the right side is for the admission office. This office processes students' enrollment. The left side is for ESPO, or the Office of the Scholarship and Financial Assistance Unit. This is where the students can go to apply for scholarship. Since not all students have financial stability, that is why the CNSC has scholarship programs to help those qualified students. The next spot is the Student Park or SP. Students go here to have some relaxation such as sitting all alone to clear their mind, do their activities or chit-chat with their friends. Additionally, students can use this spot to execute their event or activities. The next location is the Registrar Building. This office manages all student academic records such as grades, enrollment, class schedules, assessment form, transcripts of records, and diplomas. They have to make an appointment before they ask for the above-mentioned records. Beside the registrar building is the medical and dental clinic, where students can take a rest when they feel under the weather or ask for medicine for common sicknesses like headaches, stomach aches, dizziness, and etc.
Next is the old CBPA building, where ENTREP students have designated spots to display their products as part of their program. It is convenient for us, students, because we don't have to go outside the campus to buy snacks. But of course, we have our cafeteria, spacious enough to cater to a great number of students, that they offer affordable meals, snacks, and drinks, accessible to all. The next location is the library. Filled with books, journals, articles, and researches students can use as their references. Also, students can stay here if they want to study in a more comfortable spot.
The other building is called the Student Activity Center. From the name itself, activity. This is where student organizations can hold their events like general assemblies. This can be a sports center and a choral and dance practice area. The last location for this video is the covered court. Assemblies, sports, organization activities, and graduations are held in this place.